Hello, this is Tom Sillis, CEO of wetcrow.com, WETCROW. I'm one of the wetcrows. I even go out sometimes to see how my service spreaders are doing. The topic of this thing, my lawn needs mowing. Who do I call? Oh, come on. You have to even think about that? Just just go to wetcrow.com and book it for crying out loud. We have lawn mowing. We ask you the size, we have a list of the size homes. You pick which one is closest to yours. You book it, you pay, and you're done. 2 minutes, you're done. You got your receipt, and we come out and mow your lawn. Now, usually it's an appointment. You pick an appointment. Now, the truth is, the service, we will call you if I'm a service provider, the service provider that got the job. I'm going to call you and ask you, look, it's going to rain tomorrow. Maybe I better come there tomorrow. Is that okay? You're probably going to say, yeah. You're gonna mow the grass and edge the lawn. I mean, how hard is that? We have a list of what's done in the service that you pick. Then you just pick one of the appointments, book it, and pay, and you're done. I mean, I can't make it any easier for you. Now, if you're a lawn mowing company, you pay attention to this, because that's what people are doing now. They don't wait anymore. They don't buy leads anymore. People are getting away from lead buying. The millennials don't buy leads anymore. They don't put their information in. They don't want to be calling them. They don't want to get spammed by the guys like you that call a week later, and because you were too busy. Sorry, I was mowing a lawn. I couldn't get to you. Well, if you don't have your phone answered, you're in trouble anyway. So, you need a service like ours, okay? Now, if you don't want to do it, get a back-end phone service that'll book the thing for you, get the credit card information from the customer, even though most customers are not going to want to give their credit card over the phone. I know that for a fact, okay? So, they're going to come to a service like ours. They're going to come to Wetcrow. So you're best coming to us. Get over it. You have to pay 20%. Just mark it up by 1.25. Millennials don't care. They'll pay it. They'll pay the $239 whatever it is, like installing a toilet is like that's the one I'm most familiar with. We do a lot of those every day. $239. The service provider makes $200. Off and done. You go do 7 jobs a day. You make $1,500 a day. You're glory happy. I have contractors making. I have handyman making over 35 to 40,000 a month. So, it can be done. Yeah, you put in a few more hours and you do it. Then you take a month off and go travel the world and have a good time and enjoy your money, or better yet, invest it in real estate, or good real estate, not just garbage. And then you can make some money. And I'm not going to get into the real estate topic. I'm not the expert. You can look at Grant Cardone. You can look at others that can tell you what to do. Stay away from commercial real estate if you don't know what you're doing. Buy a small shopping center that has a pizza house, a barber shop, just in your neighborhood. That's your best bet. You make $500. You make $5,000 a month from that, and then you buy a second one, you make another $5,000 a month. That's my advice. Or if you want to go have a gala time, cruise the world, go do it. I mean, enjoy yourself. It's your money. Do what you want with it. I'm not going to beat you on the brow for that. Like I said, if you're a customer, go to wetcrow.com. If you're a service provider, again, go to wetcrow.com, WETCROW. The link will be below this video. Sign up, service provider, select your category, and then automatically your services will be on there. It might not be this right away. It might take a day, 24 hours. You'll be up and running, and then you'll start getting business from us. Okay. And if we have offers that we already have, they come standing offers, so they come into us, and then what happens, we then assign them to you. So either way, you're going to get the business from us. You're going to make money. Don't go anywhere else. You're not going to, I promise you, you're going to be happy with us. Now, second thing, while you're at it, please subscribe to our channel, and then also please like this video, because what I do is I have a lot of videos out there that if you decide you don't want to go through us, you want to do it on your own, I show you how to do it. I'm not selfish. Because sometimes we get too busy, and you need more work. Okay, fine. We're going to help you do that. Okay, so don't sweat it. No more going on Facebook groups and posting in there, because nobody goes there to look for a handyman. I mean, they just don't do that. Okay, only people like me that are looking for a handyman to bring into our platform. That's the only people that go there, and I think you already know that. So, stop posting on Craigslist. You're going to get all the crappy customers that don't want to pay you. If they know that you're not paying to go to, or you're paying very little, $5 to post. So they're going to knock you down on price. That's what they do. I I used to be a handyman. I went to Craigslist when I got started. Believe me, it was holy hell. I was working for free. I was making $300 a day. Okay, I ended up with that because a third of my checks would bounce from the customers. You have a lot of shitheads out there. I'm sorry, it's the reality. Deal with it. Okay, have a great day. We'll talk to you again.